we want to condemn in the strongest terms possible the continued harassment and intimidation of members of this team, and especially the Honorable Kibagendi. You will know that a few weeks ago, the Honorable Kibagendi was actually suspended illegally and unlawfully from the precincts of Parliament. It is not possible for a speaker to police utterances of members of the National Assembly or even the Senate at media houses, at funerals, at baby showers. It is preposterous for anybody to imagine that what I say in my bedroom is also subject to the Powers and Privileges Act. It is just a preposterous position of the law. So the initial decision, of course, was unlawful and illegal. And after that decision was made, the Honorable Kibagendi took the matter to court as a believer in the rule of law, that disputes should be settled under the auspices of the law. The court has made a decision that the Honorable Kibagendi should be allowed back in Parliament. And when he comes back to Parliament to serve the people of Kitutu Chache South, again, another illegal decision is made to suspend him from the House in disobedience of the orders of the court for another 14 days. We are a country that is supposed to be governed by law. And we are the people who are saying, this is the reason why we as Linda Mwananchi keep insisting that the values under our constitution in the preamble, including the rule of law, are the underpinning of any functional society.